Hello, this is Wiley from Learn to Barbecue. This week we will continue our Umami Barbecue series by doing chicken thighs. I promised easy prep, so let's start with a mixing bowl. Our rub will be only 2 ingredients: Montreal chicken seasoning and umami powder. Pour half a cup of Montreal chicken seasoning into the bowl. The primary ingredients of Montreal chicken seasoning is garlic, onion, and salt. We then add 1 tablespoon of umami powder. It really is not a powder, but very small pieces of shiitake mushrooms and a little bit of salt. Now mix everything together. Now we start the sauce. We just need 3 ingredients, and the first 2 are Stubb's sweet and heat barbecue sauce and our umami powder. We pour a half a cup of barbecue sauce. I really like Stubb's sweet and heat for it's extremely balanced between the sweet and the spicy. Now we add another tablespoon of umami powder. We need to mix the shiitake mushroom bits so they can dissolve into the sauce. After mixing, put the bowl into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. We still have 1 more ingredient to add, but we need to get the chicken prepped and on the grill. For easy cleanup, put down a couple of paper towels. Now put down a frog mat. No, we are not cooking frogs. That's just the name for the mat. We have 8 chicken thighs with skin and bone. Now I'm going to share with you a technique used in barbecue contests. Put the thighs down with the skin pulled to one side. This way the meat of the thigh is exposed. Now we season the meat, allowing the salt and the seasoning to penetrate. As you can see, I'm not holding back with the rub. The more the merrier. The salt and umami powder both dissolve as they hit the moisture of the meat. Now we fold the skin back over, making sure the skin is flat and tight against the rub. The salt in the rub will also help dry out the skin. This technique will also give you very pretty looking thighs with a very evenly cooked skin. Oh, I forgot to mention, please use food preparation gloves when handling chicken. Now with the skin in place, it's time to season the skin. The rub has 2 jobs: add umami flavor, but also to add salt. I just keep adding rub till I see the skin cannot absorb anymore. Then pat the rub so that it has evenly coated the skin. While we were prepping the chicken, I set the Camp Chef woodwind to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, I'm using pellets that are a mix of pecan, hickory, and mesquite. We will be cooking by temperature and not time, so I will be putting 2 meat probes in the 2 largest chicken thighs. I will also be using my ThermoWorks signals to monitor the cook. I am also using needle probes so I don't have to put a big hole in the meat. To learn more about my setup, please reference the video description below. Here's the signals thermometer showing the 2 thighs, one at 40.7 degrees Fahrenheit and the other at 43.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's the smoke coming from this grill. This grill does great smoke even at high temperatures. Now back to finish the sauce. We now add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. The reason why I saved it for last is some of you are going to chicken out and not add it. But you are missing out on a great umami enhancer that will take this sauce over the top. Now with the sauce done, all we need to do is go glaze these chicken thighs. For those that doubted that a pellet grill cannot make a lot of smoke at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, just look. Also, look at the color of the thighs. This chicken just looks great. We now coat the top of each thigh with our not-so-secret sauce. We now wait until the chicken reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit. We then pull the chicken off the grill. You can see that the sauce is fully glazed and that the chicken is not dripping in sauce. So you know the actual cooking time was 47 minutes, and that was a grill temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And we pulled the chicken when it reached an internal temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Very happy with how these chicken thighs look, but how do they taste? I picked 2 thighs for appearance. I then sliced into one of them. As you can see, they are completely cooked, but also extremely moist. Now I'm trying to find a bite with plenty of meat, skin, and sauce. This one looks pretty good, so let's see how it tastes. Cuts clean, and the skin looks like it's rendered well. So let's taste it. You still got the sweet and heat from the sauce, but the savory taste is what you walk away with. All I can say is this is the best chicken thighs I've ever made. 2 greasy and tasty thumbs up. Bon appetit! If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Also, we really appreciate you watching.